I am Dr. Kullur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Happy New Year. Really thankful each and everyone to you and your family members. Our gratitude towards the support and all the help to the temple as well as for my personal issues. Thank you. And the 2025 should be the best year in your life. The wishes from Ma Mookambika. Today's Panchangam. 1st January 2025 Wednesday Krodhinama Samvalsaram Dakshinayanam Hemantardau Margazhi Masam Shukla Paksham Saumya Vasaram, that is Wednesday, up to night 1:31 a.m. Uttradam, then Tiruvonam Nakshatram. Rahukalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Guliyagalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam up to 7:36 a.m. Rishabha Rashi, then Midhuna Rashi. Today's Shulam North.